a powerhouse blend of natural ingredients bursting with health benefits. Looking for a delicious, nutrient-packed snack that fuels your body and satisfies your sweet tooth? Let's make these homemade nut and dry fruit energy balls. A powerhouse blend of natural ingredients bursting with health benefits. You'll need dates and figs, natural sweeteners loaded with fiber, potassium and slow-release energy. A mix of almonds, pistachios, cashews, pine nuts and lotus seeds, also known as macana, full of healthy fats, protein and essential minerals. Flax seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and excellent for digestion. And to bring it all together, your choice of jaggery, honey or melted butter. For a boost of flavor, add cardamom powder or a pinch of cinnamon. Totally optional but highly recommended for that warm, aromatic touch. Step 1. Start by soaking 1 cup of pitted dates and half a cup of dried figs in warm water for 15 to 20 minutes. This softens them and makes blending easier. While that's soaking, lightly toast all your nuts and seeds: almonds, pistachios, cashews, flax seeds, pine nuts and lotus seeds. Toasting brings out their natural oils and adds a deep nutty flavor. Let them cool. Pulse the toasted nuts and seeds in a food processor into a coarse mixture. Then add in your softened dates and figs, jaggery or honey, and your optional cardamom or cinnamon. Blend until the mixture forms a sticky dough. If it feels too dry, add more honey or butter. Too wet, just mix in some extra ground nuts or lotus seeds. Scoop out small portions and roll them into bite-sized balls. If the mixture is sticky, wet your hands slightly or chill it for 10 minutes first. Now for step 5, you can roll the balls in shredded coconut, crushed nuts or even cocoa powder to add an extra layer of flavor and texture. It's totally optional, but honestly, they look and taste amazing. Now, just pop them in the fridge for about an hour so they firm up nicely. After that, you can store them in an airtight container for up to a week. Or if you like, freeze them and enjoy for months. It's really that simple. These energy balls are honestly perfect as a pre-workout snack, a midday pick-me-up, or even a healthy treat for kids' lunchboxes. Here's why they're so good for you. Dates and figs give you a boost of energy and help with digestion. Nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, plant protein, and help keep you feeling full. Flax seeds support heart and brain health thanks to those omega-3s. Lotus seeds add a bit more protein and are rich in antioxidants. And, cardamom and cinnamon not only bring warmth and flavor, but also some digestive benefits. But well, here are a few things to keep in mind. These are calorie dense, so it's best to stick to 1 or 2 balls at a time, especially if you're watching your weight. The natural sugars in dates, figs, jaggery and honey can still affect blood sugar, so diabetics should enjoy these in moderation. Got nut allergies? Just swap in seeds like sunflower or pumpkin seeds instead. Nuts like almonds are high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in some folks if eaten in excess. And remember, because there are no preservatives, you'll want to refrigerate or freeze them to keep them fresh. So there you have it. Nutrient-rich, energy-boosting, and totally customizable energy balls you can make in just minutes. Eat well, stay energized, and keep nourishing your body the delicious way. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like for future videos on similar topics.